Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Chandra and you are watching Rangwal Chandra. In this video, we will see what is the exact pattern of Accenture English Assessment 2021 and how to solve it, how to crack the exam for the Accenture English Assessment. So basically, the whole video will show you exactly what question, what type of question you will get in the exam, how to do, what to do. So for this video, you need to sit in a silent place and just listen all the instructions which is coming from the like your questions, like it is automated questions will come, some voice will come, so you need to sit in a very silent place and concentrate about it. I'll not say anything because if you give your concentration and attention, definitely you will get how to do and what to do. So without wasting any more time, let's get started this video.
Speaking tips. It is important to speak naturally during the test. Here are some tips. Speak at a normal speed like you would during a conversation. Speak like you are talking to a person on the phone. There is no need to speak too carefully or slowly. Speak at a normal volume, not too loud or too soft. When you are ready, click Next. To start the test, please click Next. Part A. Reading. Please read the sentences as you are instructed. Part A. Reading. Please read the sentences as you are instructed. Please read sentence 1.
बिफोर गोइंग अहेड आई हैव अनाउंसमेंट फ्रॉम द अनअकैडमी गाइज। अगर आप गेट एंड ईएसी की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं 2022 के लिए, तो गाइज यहाँ पे मॉक टेस्ट चल रहा है गेट 2022 के लिए, जिसमें आपको गोल्डन चांस मिलने वाला अपनी टेस्ट को प्रिपरेशन करने के लिए, वो भी फ्री में। 19 दिसंबर इसकी डेट है, जो कि 3 बजे है, बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा, शार्प 3 PM आप इनरोल कर सकते हो। मैं इसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगी। दूसरी अपडेट गाइस जेएन अकेडमी की तरफ से कि क्रैक गेट विद कॉम्बैट, जिसकी डेट है आपकी 19 दिसंबर 11 बजे शार्प मॉर्निंग। 20 क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे, 60 मिनट आपका टाइमिंग होगा। और इसमें कौन कौन एलिजिबल है, तो वो MECH, सिविल, ECE, EECS और IT स्टूडेंट्स, सबके लिए अलग अलग कंटेंट बनने वाला है सेपरेट। डिटेल्स वीडियोस आपको मिलने वाली सॉल्यूशंस की, वो भी इंडिया के टॉप एजुकेटर से, प्लस जो क्वेश्चन बनने वाले हैं गाइस, वो भी इंडिया के टॉप एजुकेटर से बनने वाले हैं। एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हो आप लाइव टेस्ट को कि कैसे एग्जैक्टली यहाँ पे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर करने हैं, और अपनी रैंकिंग देख सकते हो। आपके पास एक बहुत अच्छा चांस है यहाँ पे 100% स्कॉलरशिप लेने का भी, तो ये बहुत अच्छा मौका है, बिल्कुल मत खोइएगा। प्लस 100 लकी पार्टिसिपेंट को मिलने वाले हैं एक्साइटिंग रिवॉर्ड्स, जो आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहे हैं। यस एग्जैक्टली, एप्पल आईपैड, JBL हेडफोन, सैमसंग टैब, JBL स्पीकर एंड Amazon वाउचर्स एंड मैनी मोर। एंड गाइज, इस एग्ज़ाम को आप लाइव टेस्ट में दे सकते हो, आप अपने एंड्रॉयड से देख सकते हो, आप वेब एप्लीकेशन से देख सकते हो। तो इट इज़ नॉट कंपलसरी आपको लैपी के सामने बैठना है, आप अपने मोबाइल से भी इस एग्ज़ाम को दे सकते हो। प्रैक्टिस द बेस्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर द डेट एंड कंप्लीट विद द थाउजेंड्स टू गेट रियल टाइम रैंकिंग। सो इसका भी डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको लिंक में दे दूंगी, वहाँ से जा करके आप एक्सेस कर सकते हो। मेरा कोड आप यूज़ कर सकते हो इनरोलमेंट के लिए, मेरा कोड है आपका Chandra45। सो वीडियो को आगे बढ़ाते हैं।
Now read sentence 2. Now please read sentence 3. Now read sentence 4. Now read sentence 5. Please read sentence 6. Now read sentence 7. Now read sentence 8. Part B. Repeat. Please repeat each sentence that you hear. For example, a voice says,
Leave town on the next train.
and you say,
Leave town on the next train.
With all the good programs available, it's difficult to make a quick decision.
How about some coffee this morning?
I really want to change that.
Be prepared to give the exact words that appeared on your screen.
Are you sure it's not a problem? Hello there. We expect the new project to be financially on target.
Where did you find my keys?
I've already forgotten what we decided to do.
Just let me know what you need me to do.
Have you seen the price of milk lately?
Our business program gives students the skills they need to become leaders.
Will someone please tell me what's going on?
The next train is going into the city. A group of all ages gathered to hear the jazz concert.
Closing time has come and gone, but customers continue to arrive.
So guys, this is the first part of our Accenture English assessment. I hope ki all our things are well and you're knowing the things right now. Next thing is what are the prerequisites? You need to sit in a very silent place. Another thing, if you're using earphone or headphone, so you should know about it whether it is compatible with your device or not. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time and definitely it is a waste of time. So just take care of this one very well, because these small things will give a struck to your examination and you have a very little amount of time. So be prepared, and you have to know about that your neighbors like sound should not be come. You should sit in a place where nothing will come, because if you give this exam in a silent place, then only you can hear each and everything, because now you know that everything is based upon your hearing and your like listening. Then you need to give the correct answer. This is the way they know how like sharp you are, how confident you are, and how focused you are for your work for the organization. So and this is the way of Accenture to how to shortlist their candidates for the further process for any interview. And these are all samples, so you need to be preparation with this. And another thing is ki next video or next content I will upload soon, because if I'll upload everything in a single video, it will be more like long and long. I don't want to post long videos, so that's why I'm posting these videos in portion by portion, so it will easy for you also to understand like step by step. So if you are preparing for Accenture, so see all the videos and prepare very well. Don't hesitate, don't nervous, it's very easy. Just your focus and confidence should be there. So I hope you are doing well. Good luck for your preparations. If you are going to do any like interviews, questions, papers, anything else, so good luck, warm wishes by my side. See you in my next video. Have a great day, and if you like this video, so don't forget to comment, share and subscribe this video. Bye bye.